Can't shake that cough? Then check out this homemade recipe that people use to relieve flu and cold discomfort, boost immunity, clear the lungs, e soothe a cough. E a pot with a liter of water. Add orange slices, lemon slices, onion slices, a piece of ginger, e a clove of garlic. Let each boil for about 15 minutes. You can drink a cup throughout the day while you have symptoms. Let me know in the comments. Did you already know this recipe?